Now that the vehicle is dry and the wheels and tires are done, I want to put a coat of wax on. Now there are a couple options. It depends on your time and your energy. 3M makes a beautiful performance wax, or you can buy a spray-on wax. It depends what your timing is. I'm going to do the spray-on wax this time, and I'll do a little bit of the wipe-on wax so you can see the difference. This is the 3M Pro Finish. I'm going to show you the difference between putting a regular wax on and a spray wax, and when you see the difference, you'll understand why it makes a lot more sense to use a liquid wax like this 3M Pro Finish, because the difference is quite impressive. And let's do this spray on. It looks good. And you can see it's leaving little pieces because it's drying. And we're gonna let this set up, and we're gonna wipe it, keep wiping it off till it's all gone. And that's always the challenge, is not to leave the wax on the car. And if you do get wax in certain areas, like around the headlight lenses, use an old toothbrush. It's a great use for it rather than throwing it out. I got a clean rag. The other one I was using, I wasn't very happy with cleaning the car the way I'd like it to. Sometimes a clean rag is a good thing, like a clean towel. Now this is the performance wax. Now remember, when you have a black car, it requires a little bit more effort. You want to make it nice and shiny. The last thing you want is swirl marks. I don't know if you can see the difference, but the actual performance wax does a much better job.